Hello, in this video we are going to cover setting up Python on a Windows machine. So it's really simple. Go to your web browser, go to the website python.org and then go to download. You can specifically go to Windows, but you'll usually detect what platform you're on, so just select the latest version. But if you go to view the full list of downloads, you can download older versions as well if you specifically need an older one. And chances are, if you need an older one, it'll be Python 2 because there's certain frameworks, for example, that require Python and they're tested fully on the old version of Python, aka Python 2. So that's just something to bear in mind if you need an older one. But we just want the latest one. And so download an executable, just under 30 megabytes in size. And we'll click on this so it opens up once it has downloaded. And now that it is launching up, we just need to install it. So we want to install the launcher for all users, add the Python to the path as well. So what this allows us to do is if we are using other frameworks or the libraries or the applications that require Python, it can access it. Basically adds it to the Windows path so other external applications can use it. And we are all good to go. So I'll just do the normal installation. And it doesn't take long at all. It just takes a few seconds. And once that's done, we'll just quickly cover how to actually run a piece of code in Python. So almost there, almost there. It's teasing us. It's almost at the end. Installation's almost complete. Okay, so setup was successful. So disable path length limit. So change your machine configuration to allow programs including Python to bypass the limit. So yeah, why not? We probably won't need that, but yeah, why not? Okay, so it's installed a bunch of different pieces. So we want the IDLE. So this is just the ID that will allow us to run Python code. So we're just going to create a new file. You can open up a file if you already have one. But I have one, so I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to write in here print. Again, this isn't a programming tutorial on how to code in Python. We'll have separate videos after this one covering all the different facets of programming in Python. This is just to show you how to run Python code. I'm going to save on the desktop. I'm going to call it hello, and it's automatically detected the type, and the extension, if you are curious, is py for Python. So now if we go to run module, as you can see, it's printed out hello world, and that's it for setting up Python on a Windows machine. And thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.